Did you know? A parrot talks too much but can't fly high. But an eagle is silent and has the ability to touch the sky. In life, became an eagle, not a parrot. The Mapo Bridge in Seoul, South Korea, has a high suicide rate, and it is even nicknamed as the Bridge of Death and Suicide Bridge. In an effort to deter suicides, the bridge was revamped with technologies that display positive messages and images to potential jumpers, and it was even renamed as the Bridge of Life. Just a year later, the suicide rate had increased by 6 times. And Hathaway's husband looks very similar to William Shakespeare, and Shakespeare's wife name was literally Anne Hathaway. Unbelievable. In Silence of the Lambs, the hissing noise Hannibal Lecter makes at Clarice Starling after delivering the famous, "I ate his liver with some fava beans," and a nice Chianti line wasn't scripted. Anthony Hopkins improvised it on the spot. People present Jesus as being a pale white man. If he did exist, he would 99% be darker skinned. In 1987, a stock exchange forbade Thomas Peter Fye to use the fully automated algorithmic trading system he had designed, as all trades needed to be typed in manually. Consequently, Peter Fye designed a system where a camera read the terminals and mechanical fingers typed in the trade orders. Linley, the baby, was born twice. Pediatric surgeons removed her from the womb to cut out a tumor on her spine, placed her back, and several weeks later Linley was born healthy. I was only 11, and I was in awe that I was in an elevator with Steve Irwin. Straight away he starts a conversation with me, asks me what my name is, where I'm from, and if there were any croaks in the pool, and if I see any at the hotel to come find him. During pregnancy, if the mother suffers organ damage, the baby in the womb sends stem cells to repair the damaged organ. A size comparison between the Titanic and a modern cruise ship. Did you know? Galapagos batfish have frowny faces and giant red lips. They also use their fins as feet to walk around the sea floor because they are terrible swimmers. A study in the journal Current Biology shows that newborn babies have accents. The melody of an infant's cry matches its mother tongue. The cry of an infant born to a French speaking family will end in rising note, while the cry of an infant born in German family will favor a falling melody. A billion-year-old bottle of water was just sent to its new home. Collected 1.5 miles below the Earth's surface from a mine in Timmins, Canada, the small sample now resides in Canada's Museum of Science and Innovation. The water was discovered in 2009 and is the oldest sample ever found. In WWII, an American pilot named Owen J. Baggett gained fame for shooting down a Japanese plane using his pistol while parachuting. Did you know hummingbirds can fly forwards, backwards, sideways, and even upside down? They are actually the only birds that can do this because they have a unique shoulder joint that allows their wings to rotate 180 degrees. Hummingbirds can even hover in a single spot for a period of time. Long before Edgar Allan Poe wrote on the subject, being buried alive was a phobia shared by many people, including George Washington. Because of this fear, he made a very specific request as he was dying. The 2013 hit song Bloodlines by Robin Thicke and Pharrell Williams was part of a huge lawsuit. The estate of Marvin Gaye sued the pair for copyright infringement, alleging that Bloodlines blurred the line with Gaye's song Got to Give It Up. Gaye's estate won, and Williams and Thicke had to pay $5.3 million. Desert stomach is a real thing. Your gut expands upon contact with sugar and therefore makes room for dessert even after having the feeling of being full. The CPR doll, Riceci Ann, inspired Michael Jackson's song Smooth Criminal. The phrase Annie, are you okay? Sag in the chorus of the song was often used to check for a response in the plastic patient during training sessions. At least we know Jackson was CPR trained. A woman had a heart attack on plane. When stewardess asked if there is a doctor on board, 15 stood up. They were on their way to cardiology conference. The woman survived. Despite the tomato being introduced to Europe in 1548, certain areas of the continent, particularly parts of Italy, like Florence, only used the fruit as a tabletop decoration until the late 17th and early 18th century. Tomatoes were generally feared and viewed as unhealthy, poisonous, and unfit to eat by many parts of Europe. The queen is woken up every morning at 9 a.m. by a bagpiper who plays outside her window for 15 minutes. I just remembered that a bunch of Christian hardcore kids made fun of my tattoos at the 2004 March for Women's Lives when I was marching for choice. They were counter protesting. Wonder what those nerds are doing now. Was that you? Spiders can use Earth's electric field to fly. In a behavior called ballooning, spiders extrude a strand of silk into the air that picks up a negative charge and repels the ground, sending them flying. Spiders have been found 2.5 miles up in the air and 1,000 miles out in the sea. An octopus has 9 brains. An octopus has 9 brains, a brain on each leg and one on its head. If you don't remember seeing Rick Moranis in the Breakfast Club, don't worry, you didn't miss anything. He was supposed to be in the movie, though. But he was pretty much immediately fired. A 2005 survey by the British Cheese Board reported that Stilton cheese seemed to cause unusual dreams, with 75% of men and 85% of women experiencing odd and vivid dreams after eating a serving of the cheese half an hour before sleeping. Human muscles are limited by our brain. We actually have the strength to move cars and boulders. When Volvo invented the 3-point seat belt in 1959, they made the patent free for all competitors to use in order to save lives, because it had more value as a free life saving tool than something to profit from. Freud liked cocaine so much that he would give it to friends and family as a gift.